Today's art is inspired by nature. I'll be pressing leaves and flowers into clay to make ring dishes or trinket dishes. It's something I've seen done in ceramics and have wanted to see how I could get it to turn out. I find nature very inspiring and beautiful, and the more I pay attention to it, the more I see the details and just how many beautiful things there are to look at. There's so many different shaped leaves and flowers, and it's all pretty inspiring to me. I'm excited to try out different plants, different leaves with all different shapes and textures in my clay art. And plus, it's super nice to get outside more. It was such a long, cold winter. It feels nice to be outside around the yard just looking for plants to use in my art. First, I'll try out the leaf. I'll try the flowers later. It's quite satisfying pulling the leaf off the clay and seeing the imprint. There's so many fine lines. I think it looks really pretty. Midday, I like to have a hot drink. Usually I have cocoa powder, hot water, and some almond milk. I know it's plain, but it is great with some cookies. I really do have a sweet tooth. And then periodically throughout the day, I like to find my cat Oliver, give him a pat, and play with him a bit if he's awake. He's just over 1 year old, so he's still quite playful when he's not napping. Alright, so now for the little flowers from the front yard. I'm going to make it into a round ring dish. Once again, it's very satisfying pulling flowers from the clay. I love seeing the imprint. I think it looks really pretty. So here's the final product. I really like how they look so far. I'm still unsure what colors I want to paint them and how that will turn out in the end, but hopefully it'll turn out good and I'll get to show you very soon what they look like. And until then, thank you so much for spending this time with me, and I hope you have a relaxing rest of your day.